Hey there, beautiful family. Hope you're doing well. Today I have this position. Yes, it's virtual assistant from this company, Bright House Finance. Yes, welcome back to the channel. And if you are new here, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any job that I post every single day. So we have this position. It's located in New Jersey. Yes, New York, and then it's virtual assistant. That is the position. Let me zoom. So, first, this is the ID number of this work. They are flexible. You can work from home, remotely, or you can work in the office. How you will contribute? This is how you will contribute. But, guys, let's see the qualification. We are looking for people who have bachelor degree in mathematics, statistics, computer science, or actual science, and then passed at least one exam towards social of each required. Strong analytic problem solving, proficient in Microsoft Office, particularly in Microsoft Excel. Yes, those are the qualification. They work remotely, you can work from home, and they have paid time off, and they have so many other benefits. As you can see, yes, you can join them. And yeah, if you are looking for this kind of position, a virtual assistant, you can join this company and start your application and see if you can be selected. Yes, I have this other company, Open Corporates. This is the company where you can get remote jobs as well. Yes, this remote job is community manager. Yes, you can write on your Google browse Open Corporates and search for this. Their position, the position is remote and community manager. Let's see the qualification for this job. Yeah, the requirements. We are looking for people experienced in gaining with the community management or PR role, experience in gaining from within B2B data provider. Yes, ability to work across the wide variety of PR, marketing, and communication activities, experience in developing and executive social media strategy, technical proficiency, and so many more. So they have flexible hours. We will provide the following benefits: flexible hours, 28 days holiday, time of your life events, and then they have budget for training and learning and awareness allowance. And then there is this share opportunity scheme. So this is remote job. You can work from anywhere. Uh, you can work remotely. Yes. Again, guys, I have this website where I go to find jobs always. I come here, let's say if I'm looking for data entry job, you know, simply I hired and then write that remote and then search. You have to make sure you filter the job which is current jobs. Yes, you can see they don't have, yeah, they have this one, data entry operator. Yes, from this company. Mahan, yes, from this company. And you can see they have a good pay. This job was posted 8 hours ago, and they can see their pays per year. Let's see the qualification, the requirement: high school diploma, data entry operator certification. Will also consider experience in working as a data entry operator, data entry check, proficiency in Microsoft tool, strong understanding of data integrity and security, familiar with administrative procedures, and so many more. As you can see, guys, there is no degree required to this position. As long as you enjoy working with data, you can apply to this position. Yes. Let's say if you are looking for other related job, yes, you can see this is remote vacation specialist. Mhm. This job was posted 2 hours ago. It's from this company. You can do research right in your Google browse. Type this Mammoth Mountain and search more about this company. Understand the company before you apply. They pay $21 per hour, and there is these opportunities. Yes, as you can see, the qualification, you have to be bilingual, Microsoft Word, have Microsoft Word knowledge, customer service, English, Windows, high school diploma, and you have to enjoy working on data entry. Yes, as you can see, there is no experience required. As well, you can work remotely to this job. Again, you can see there is no degree required. Yes, they have so many jobs, guys. Now what you're gonna do is to write on a Google browse simplyhired.com, filter the job that fits your resume, and again, let me show you how you can make your own resume templates, because you don't have to buy a resume template from anyone. You can make your own resume. Let me show you how you can make your own resume. You have to copy, let's say, this description. Okay, the job description, copy. You have to make sure you copy everything and then go to ask ChatGPT AI to help you to make a resume for you. Yes, you don't have to buy a subscription from anyone. Let's say we are on ChatGPT. I hope you know how to access ChatGPT account. If you don't know, write on your Google browse chat.openai.com. You'll sign up with this account and start asking questions and help from this ChatGPT. Okay, so now I'm gonna paste here everything and then ask ChatGPT to help you to write your resume. Help me to write resume and cover letter for this job. You know, and then you can see it's gonna give us template how you can fill your information, and then it's like 1 minute to make your own resume template. And the good thing of this ChatGPT, you can even give ChatGPT more information about you. That's why you can't even say, oh, let me go to buy this resume template, because you can do it by yourself here and even give more information with to ChatGPT. Yes, this is the cover letter, and give me the resume. Yes. Now you have your resume template, and then this is how you're gonna do. You can tell ChatGPT, I have experience from the company name. Let's say from the company money, and then tell them that I was working as virtual as a virtual assistant and working remotely. Again, so now from 2000, maybe 2008, 2021 up to now. Okay, so now it can modify your resume template as more. The more you give the information to this, the more you get an accurate resume template. Okay, so this is how you're gonna do. Just keep modifying your resume and template resume. If you have resume template, your cover letter, make sure you submit a specific cover letter to this specific job. So This is what I had for today. Now you know how you may make your resume template by yourself using chat.openai.com ChatGPT to generate your cover letter, to generate your resume. Yes. Going back to the jobs. Yes, let's go back to the jobs, guys, and see. Let's say for those who are interested in maybe chat job, if you write here chat support, you can see remote. And then filter. Now you have live chat operator. Yes, 1 day ago was posted 1 day ago and only 23 hours. Their payment is $23 per hour, and this job was posted 1 day ago, and they have benefits as you can see. Also, here there is their qualification. You have to have willingness to live chat, customer service, Microsoft Office, high school diploma, and 1 year experience, at least 1 year of experience. Guys, as you can see, there is no degree required to this job, and this is no phone job. Yes, yes, guys, the company name is this dw.auto.home mobility. Yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and start exploring this simplyhired.com and see if you can get a job for yourself. I wish you all the good luck, and remember to share, like, and subscribe. Keep sharing my video. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.